Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Tech in Twos on Adobe Spark. So you may already be familiar with Adobe Creative Cloud Suite, which is unfortunately pretty pricey and not available on all devices. However, did you know that Adobe Spark is a suite of apps that is free for students and teachers to use, and all the apps are empowering for students to unleash their creativity and share their voice. They can be used as a mobile app, and you can see the three available apps here, or you can use a web browser to access these. The Adobe Spark Suite includes three different apps for producing different kinds of media. A Spark video is a narrated movie, and it's awesome for presentations or for storytelling. Lots of people ask me, how do I put together a bunch of photos into a fluid video? And I usually recommend Spark. A Spark page is kind of a text-based story, sort of a website slash word processor, and you can incorporate visuals and text into that page. And finally, a Spark post is an image optimized for social media. It really just allows you to create a pretty unique graphic really quickly. On the Adobe Spark site, there are a ton of templates that students can utilize, that you can utilize to create graphics for your classroom. So you can see some of the examples: photo story, newsletter, ad, pitch, animated story, travel journal, invitation, that are available as templates to get started on Spark. Adobe Spark also has a page full of teaching resources as well. Here is a student example of an Adobe Spark post.
And notable American. She was born in New York City in 1933.
An example of an Adobe Spark video.
My mother told me two things constantly. One,
and an Adobe Spark page. So this page is all about examples of fractions. One final thing to note before you start using Adobe Spark is that it does require an account and a login. So students under the age of 13 are not allowed to create their own Adobe ID. So you can create a class account in order for students to be able to use Adobe Spark. But you can also log in using Google so that you don't have to remember an additional login for Adobe Spark. Enjoy creating with Adobe Spark!